The camo bought a turtle, a Trendmood box with a new brand in it, LazyTurtle. LazyTurtle is a new USA cruelty-free brand. Their website is now up and running. They were inspired by the tropics, and they wanted to create a brand that was affordable. It looks like on the website their items are all $21 with the exception of the hair and body mist. That is $19. So let's see what came in this Trendmood box. Oh, and we could not get the code to work for the extra makeup bag. We were there early, but it may have already sold out. Anyway, let's move along and see what came in the box. This is Tropical Splash in Strawberry Peony. It wouldn't have been my first choice, but this is one of the items where they picked from their 3 that they have. That's okay. Glad to at least get it and see what it's all about, what it's like. This, I will say, it's a little strawberry and a little peony. They are accurate. This is 8 ounces of Soft Sands Body Scrub. And there's a reason to subscribe to our channel, because we do battles of body scrubs. So this will eventually show up as we use up some other products. It has a safety seal. I've taken a little sniff and it smells, well, beachy and tropical. Excited for this one. Me too. Me too. This is 8 ounces of strawberry citrus and hand and body lotion, and I've taken a little sniff. There is a safety seal. I can get a little sniff through that safety seal, and it's an accurate scent. This is going to be a fun one to try. This is 6 ounces of Cocoa Colada. Cocoa Glow Cocoa Colada Body Butter. And I gotta say, we took a sniff. This is running a good competition with my favorite Sol de Janeiro number 39. This is not the same. This is running a good competition. It's a nice scented product. This is Tropic Fashion Body Wash, and it smells heavenly. I can't wait to wash with a turtle. It does smell good. It does. And this is 11.8 ounces. Coastal Cleanse Mango Papaya Shampoo. It smells good. It has a heavier mango than papaya, but not so heavy that I think it's not, gonna smack you upside the head with the mango, but heavy on the mango, which is fine with me. It's all nice and tropical. This is this is not 8 ounces. This is 11.8 ounces. Coastal Cleanse Mango Papaya Shampoo by LazyTurtle. And they gave the equivalent in a conditioner. Glad they gave us both. Again, a good strong mango scent. And I'm excited by this box. You did good, Fatima. You found a good one. Thank you. I like to shop. And like we said, this is a new brand. I think they opened in July of 2026, so we're just, at the time we're filming this, it's just probably a month old. The body wash was the other item where they made the choice for us. And so we got the Tropic Passion. The other options were strawberry citrus and mango papaya. And then with the hair and body mist, we got strawberry peony. The other options were pomelo sun and cocoa colada. It was $39 for the box. The shipping was free. By the time you added on route protection and taxes, we were all in at almost $43. And I think that's well worth it. Definitely. Everything on their website, as I mentioned earlier, is $21, except for the mist, and those are $19. So for the price we paid, it was a very good value. And I anticipate enjoying all of the items. Did you get this one? Are you going to go to their website, LazyTurtle, and get something? Let me know, because I'm an inquiring camel. I want to know all the details. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine. Share with your friends. And we do hope to catch you again in another video. Thanks for watching.